Hi, I'm Archishman and I'm back again with another video. This time we are going to talk about the AriesX motorized backdrop mounting system. The AriesX motorized mounting system comes in two boxes, one small box and one big box containing the crossbars. Let's start off by seeing what's in the box. This is the motor module that comes with a remote and the AC power connector. It also has 3 sockets for mounting the crossbar. This is the support module for the other end, which comes with 3 supporting points and the mounting points. You get 3 crossbars that go on the backdrop mounting system. These crossbars mount directly inside the motor and the support module. Now let's see how to set it up. An important thing to keep in mind while setting up the motorized mounting system is the weight of the total package. The motorized mounting system in itself weighs approximately 14 kgs. So whatever backdrops you mount on top of that will add additional weight. When mounting this system, you need to be absolutely sure that whatever surface you mount it on can take that weight. And make sure you use fasteners or bolts that securely hold the motorized mounting system to the surface and it doesn't break apart. You can also use fabric backdrops with the motorized mounting system. To do this, you must securely roll the fabric backdrop on your crossbar or on a cardboard core. After it's securely rolled, you can then mount the crossbar into the motorized mounting system and easily roll and unroll with the remote. Now let's talk about how to securely mount the modules. Each module has 2 sets of mounting points, one on the side and one at the top. This is so that it can be mounted either on the wall or on the ceiling. But for the most secure mounting, it should be mounted at the corner so that both the ceiling and the wall mounts are both engaged. The total width of the system is 326 centimeters. It's measured from the outer edge of each of the modules, including the crossbar in the center. Once you have measured the width of 326 centimeters, now the best part about this system is that the motor module can be mounted in any orientation. It can be on the left or on the right, depending on access to power. Once you've decided in which orientation to mount the motor module, mark the mounting points on the wall. Drill them. And insert the fasteners into the holes. And then affix the motor module on the wall. After securing the motor module in place, let's move on to now securing the support module on the wall. You have to repeat the same process. Drill the holes. Secure the fasteners. And mount it properly. Once both the modules are installed, grab your crossbar and mount your backdrop on the crossbar. Then take the pointy end of the crossbar and insert it into the support module. Once it's inside the support module, let's see how to attach it to the motor module. Remove the pin lock on the socket present on the motor module and take out the screw from the socket. Insert the crossbar and align the holes of the crossbar with the holes of the socket. Once the holes are aligned, insert back the screw into the holes and put back the pin lock to secure the crossbar in place. The wired remote included in the system has 3 sets of buttons for rolling and unrolling each of the 3 rollers, a fuse and an on and off switch. If there is a little space between the backdrop core and the crossbar, you can use a wooden shim like this to secure the backdrop to the crossbar so that it rolls and unrolls easily. I hope you now understand how to properly set up an AriesX motorized backdrop mounting system. If you still have any queries, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos. That's all.